Hey, this is our 5-day road trip in the Dolomites. Let's roll.
Wow.
Okay.
Estamos listos.
Vamos, vamos.
Tratando de ver cómo ponemos las mochilas.
We loaded up the van and left touring for a 5-hour drive. Plenty of time to present you our epic team.
I'm Antonio, I'm 21 years old, I'm from Argentina, I study in Argentina, and I love Argentina.
Here you go, bro.
Me! Michael, 22, Ireland.
Man, a few words, straight to the point.
Jonas, 25 years old from Norway.
Peter, 28.
This is our main driver.
Nico from France, visiting Christian from Panama, but I met him in Germany. I was doing my Erasmus there, and now he's doing his Erasmus in Torino with all these nice dudes.
Yes, sir.
What a life be without homegrown tomatoes. Only two things and money came by. That's true love and homegrown tomatoes.
After arriving, the weather quickly turned.
How are we doing, guys?
Yeah, great,
Bro.
yeah.
I didn't bring a rain jacket.
Awesome! And so we did the most logical thing, jump in the lake.
Me voy a quemar, creo.
Qué profesional.
Con la mano, hand.
Con la mano hand.
Hand. Yummy, yummy. Look at that.
It's gonna be tight.
That's actually okay.
It is gonna be tight.
But like, I just almost come here to move, but...
So, how do you guys sleep?
Really bad.
Day 2.
Where's the road so
Everybody.
All ready.
National Geographic.
Wait, are we supposed to not look at the camera or look at the camera?
You can do what the hell you want, huh?
Whoa, we have free wheel.
Oh, it's getting jealous. Maternity.
Industria brasileña.
Ah, okay, vale.
Look at the size difference. In Como I was spamming the questions. Whoa.
Like, it just looks like a stereotypical.
We're going too fast.
Strong guys. As we walked through the woods, we got hit by rain again.
What's the weather like?
But all of a sudden,
Oh,
Rainbow! Oh,
No way.
damn.
Right there.
That looks dope.
the sky cleared and we arrived in Dusler Alm with one of the most epic views we could ever wish for.
I thought.
So we have a beer review.
Premium.
Step 1. Step 2. This. Yeah, that's it. Look at this. That's professional.
Drink it.
It's gonna smell big. You're happy now.
I'm happy.
That's top-notch cooking.
No, hold the.
No, or the blue one.
The one on below.
I'm
That
holding
guy.
it. Christian, you fucked it up.
Put them here.
Te vas a quemar.
Ah, fuck.
¿Y qué te dije, boludo?
Just do it quick.
Yeah, exactly.
This is night number 2.
Night 2.
It can't get worse.
Day 3, guys. On the road again.
Hi.
Pretty cool, bro.
Ay.
We then arrived at one of the world's most famous lakes.
have breakfast near the Tre.
We're gonna have banana with dulce de leche directly from Argentina.
Sweet, made of milk, very sweet.
Sounds good, sounds good.
Oh, this place is crazy.
Yeah, the water's so nice.
Shampoo.
You don't have a shower, guys?
I have soap and
Yeah?
shower gel, and I have a towel.
But he doesn't have swimming trunks because he doesn't want to get into the lake.
Come on, straight in the water, no hesitation.
Nico, I thought we were doing it all at once.
Wow, it's so amazing. Damn. Very hot.
It's really cold.
Refreshing is an understatement.
We had a whip.
Yeah, it's good.
Kinda, it's very, very weak.
Do you think this is gonna get blown away?
I don't think so.
I guess we'll find out after the hike. And yeah, so like this.
I find it so scary that the snakes are gonna just eat people whole.
That's anacondas in Brazil.
Yeah.
Wow. I think we can get it in. Are you recording this?
Yeah, the tiny leprechaun. It's funny because like when we see you from there, it looks like you're so far away.
It looks like you're so. When I was up there, it looked so high up.
And now it's time for a shower. Are you ready? Come on, you're from Norway. You can have a bit of cold in you.
Yeah, we'll improvise a bit.
Let's have a wash in this place.
I just washed. The water's fucking cold.
Hello.
It's very similar.
What?
I thought it was like a cream cake.
Yeah, exactly. Got it.
Today the plan is to go high up. High above the clouds. To a place you might have already heard of.
Order something with it or just give it to myself and
we're gonna try running to Cadini, which is an hour away, to get the sunset. There was a very long queue at Cadini, so instead I stopped before and met Fabian, who took insane drone shots. This place is indescribable. Only images can show its beauty. You're going down then?
Yeah, just down there.
Yeah.
Super misty, but I kind of want to
Yeah,
see.
it's kind of insane. Go for it.
Perhaps you could even film me going down.
Yeah, man, let me follow you.
Yeah, follow me.
Go give a shout out to Fabian. Thanks so much, man, for the videos. They look epic. Woo! I got separated from the others since I stayed with the other group of people, and they told me they managed to get a lift, or like finding a couple that can give them a lift back down, so that way we would have time to go back to the van before it's really dark and be able to maybe go to the party tonight, have time to eat and have more time. But I don't know where they are and there's no signal, so I'm going back to the Rifugio, and yeah, it's kind of a race. We were lucky because a couple from Australia gave us a lift back down to the van. Yes, Michael. Woo! Let's go. Okay, let's go. Where are we going, guys?
We're gonna to a party.
Fucking best party ever.
In the Dolomites.
Yeah,
We have
with
the
this cake. Damn. This is the end of the video. I hope you had fun watching it and it inspired you to come here to the Dolomites. Insane place, insane people, insane food. What more can you wish for? Maybe a little bit more space in the van? Anyways, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Ciao.